Master the art of summarizing in conversations. English language learning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive deep into an important conversation strategy that can help you improve your English communication skills, summarizing. We will specifically focus on how to use summarizing techniques to confirm your understanding during a conversation. Let's get started. Summarizing is the process of briefly restating, in your own words, the key points of what someone else has said. This is an important skill not only in English language learning but in effective communication in general. Summarizing allows you to ensure that you've correctly understood the speaker, and it also shows the speaker that you're actively engaged in the conversation. Summarizing can serve multiple purposes in a conversation. It helps you check your understanding. By summarizing what the speaker said, you can check whether your understanding matches what they intended to convey. Show attentiveness. When you summarize, it signals to the speaker that you are actively listening and engaged. Facilitate further conversation. It can serve as a springboard for further conversation, allowing you to ask relevant questions or make related comments. Summarizing doesn't need to be complicated. Here are some phrases that can help you start your summary. So, what you're saying is, if I'm understanding correctly. Just to clarify, once you've signaled that you're about to summarize, aim to rephrase the speaker's key points in a concise way. Remember to keep your summary brief and focused on the main ideas. Don't be afraid to ask for confirmation, like, "Did I get that right?" or, "Is that what you meant?" Now, it's time for practice. The best way to get better at summarizing is through active conversation and practice. Start by listening to short talks or discussions and summarizing them. You can also practice summarizing in your daily conversations. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. It might feel a bit unnatural at first, but with time, you'll get the hang of it. That's all for today, language enthusiasts. I hope this video helps you understand the importance and techniques of summarizing in conversations. With regular practice, I'm confident you'll master this skill. Remember, effective communication is all about understanding and being understood, and summarizing plays a crucial role in that. Keep practicing and happy learning.